Ever wondered what the most effective natural remedy for pneumonia is? Let's take a moment to understand what pneumonia is before we dive into that. Pneumonia, in simple terms, is an infection that inflames the air sacs in one or both lungs. This can cause them to fill up with fluid or pus, which leads to a host of symptoms like cough with phlegm, fever, chills, and difficulty breathing. It's important to remember, though, that pneumonia is not just a single disease. It's a category of respiratory infections with multiple causes, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi. This complicates the picture a bit, as the best remedy can depend on the specific cause. Now, the body's response to pneumonia varies from person to person, often depending on their overall health and the type of pneumonia they have. Some might experience mild symptoms, while others may need hospitalization. Understanding the nature of pneumonia is crucial in seeking the right remedies. Remember, knowledge is the first step to recovery. When pneumonia strikes, your body fights back. This is a battle, a microscopic war, where your immune system is the frontline defense. Your body responds to the invasion of pneumonia-causing microbes by creating inflammation in the lungs. This inflammation is essentially your body's attempt to isolate and eradicate the invaders. At the same time, your body ramps up mucus production. This sticky substance traps the harmful bacteria or viruses and aids in their removal. However, this increased mucus can also clog your airways, making it harder for you to breathe, and is often the cause of that persistent hacking cough associated with pneumonia. In some cases, this immune response can go into overdrive, causing excessive inflammation and mucus production. This can exacerbate the symptoms of pneumonia, leading to increased discomfort and potentially complicating your recovery. So, while your body's immune response is vital in fighting off pneumonia, it can also be a bit of a double-edged sword. Your body's reaction can be a double-edged sword, helping and hindering your recovery. Nature provides an abundance of remedies for pneumonia. They're accessible, affordable, and can complement medical treatment. Hydration, for example, is critical. Water helps thin out thick mucus in the lungs, making it easier to cough up, and it keeps the body's cells functioning optimally. Rest is another essential remedy. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, fighting off infections more effectively. Then, there are certain foods and supplements that can boost the immune system. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, for instance, helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, our body's first line of defense against infections. Zinc, a mineral found in fatty meats and legumes, is also key in bolstering our immune response. Echinacea, a popular herbal supplement, has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, potentially helping to combat pneumonia-causing bacteria. Remember, these remedies don't replace medical treatment but can aid the healing process. Natural remedies can be a powerful ally in your fight against pneumonia. Recovery from pneumonia isn't instantaneous, but natural remedies can help speed up the process. Typically, pneumonia recovery can take anywhere from a few weeks to a few months. However, this timeline isn't set in stone and varies greatly based on individual factors like overall health, age, and the severity of the condition. Natural remedies can be a great adjunct to conventional treatment, helping to boost the immune system and speed up the healing process. But it's key to remember that these remedies are not a quick fix. They require patience and persistence. Just like any other journey, recovery from pneumonia is a series of small, consistent steps. It's essential to listen to your body, rest when needed, and keep up with your natural remedies. This approach can significantly enhance your body's ability to recover and get back to its healthy state. Remember, every step you take towards recovery is a step in the right direction. Before we wrap things up, we want to take a moment to say, we hope you found this video helpful. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding pneumonia and the body's response, to exploring natural remedies and discussing the recovery process. If you found value in this content, we encourage you to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave us a comment. Your interactions help us to grow and reach more people, and we always appreciate hearing your thoughts and experiences. So, until next time, this is Remedy Seeker, signing off. Stay healthy and stay informed.